Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to invest on OnePay app. The first step we need to do is open our OnePay app. Once we have opened our OnePay app, we need to go to our invest section, and to unlock we need to click this option right here, unlock. We're gonna click unlock, and then right here we're gonna click let's go. So once we have clicking this option, we're gonna fill or complete all the steps right here. We're gonna click next and next. Right here we're gonna add our citizenship, annual income, network, all that information. So we're gonna click next. Once it's open, once it's fill all the information, we're gonna click next. Right here we're gonna click next and agree. So once we have done this, right here is gonna be available to invest. So it's gonna appear like to already available. So it's really easy to do. So I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.